Hey guys, welcome back to Bimmer PhD. I'm your host Tim, and today I'm going to do a follow-up video on this 2017 BMW X5 diesel that I created a previous video for. So, we've got the cylinder head all cleaned out, all the ports, walnut shell blasted because it was filled with carbon. We've got the intake manifold and the EGR valve completely cleaned up. Actually, it's not necessarily the EGR valve, it's the port to the EGR valve, and I'll show you what I'm talking about now. But wow, what a difference. Let me show you. This is the intake manifold that we saw yesterday. And check out those ports, completely clean. No more carbon. Here's that runner that goes to the EGR valve. And look at this stuff we pulled out of here. Wow. So these intake ports we use special tools for cleaning. But the engine itself, if you remember from yesterday's video, we went ahead and cleaned the ports out with a walnut shell blaster. Here we can see we've got the aluminum cooling system adapter put in. This is the upper radiator hose that goes to the cylinder head. Blue marks indicate that we've torqued them to factory spec. And now I'm going to show you what the inside of these ports look like. Just look at how clean those valves and the ports came out. Very nice. Now, no more carbon buildup, so these cylinder heads should flow air very smoothly. And as we know, we need air, fuel, and spark in order to make an engine run. Diesels, in this case, don't have a spark plug, but they use high pressure from the fuel system and high compression in order to create that detonation. BMWs also use the aid of glow plugs to be able to get the timing correctly. So, these are some of the things that we do differently that some other shops may not. We take pride in what we do, so we want to not only show it as transparency to the client, but also make sure that we as a shop are accountable for the end result so that we know we've solved your problem and it's a solution you can count on. So thanks for watching. If you've liked these videos, don't forget to give me a like and make sure you check out our channel so that we can have so you can see others of our videos. And if you have something that you'd like content for us to create, drop it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.